importance of programming in the IT industry. See, programming is very, very important task in the IT industry. Computer programming nowadays, software not only for computers, also for mobile devices. Getting this point, Pradeep?
Sir.
Earlier we used that term computer programming. This time software programming. Why? Software is not only for computer devices, also for small devices like mobiles. Okay.
Yep.
Say, I think primary purpose of programming, software programming. English term programming is there, that is different. That program is different. Software term programming. What is the primary purpose of software programming? It is for developing software applications.
Yes.
It is for developing software applications. That is primary purpose. See, so many other purposes also there. We can't say secondary purpose, but so many other purposes are there for programming. Observe first one, programming knowledge for software developers. That is mandatory, default. Without programming knowledge, we can't develop software applications. Second one, programming knowledge for database developers. Say, for developing database systems, SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL also some programming knowledge required. For example, SQL is command-based language, but extensions of SQL, PLSQL in Oracle, T-SQL in MS SQL Server are procedure-based languages, proprietary languages. So, in databases also, programming is there. Next, Pradeep, programming knowledge for software testers.
Yes, sir. For the automation testing, we need programming
for automation knowledge. For manual testing, no programming knowledge is required. But for automated testing, especially for functional and regression testing, programming knowledge is required.
Mandatory.
Yeah. Mandatory, yes. For example, performance test automation, mobile test automation. In mobile test automation nowadays, programming knowledge is required. For example, for APM tool, Java knowledge is required. Java or Python is supported language. See, observe. Primary thing, programming knowledge for software development. It is mandatory. See, by default, programming knowledge is required for software development. It is mandatory. Next, I will explain one by one. Just observe general topic, interview point of view, career point of view, important. See, programming knowledge for, observe Lata, database, single word, database development. Next, programming knowledge for test automation, or you can say automated testing, especially for functional and regression testing, and mobile testing also. Next, in performance test automation, little bit or less importance of programming, but in functional test automation, more important. See, automated testing. Next, fourth one, Pradeep. Programming knowledge for web development. Observe, Pradeep. Web designers also know the programming now.
Yeah.
For
example, JavaScript.
For HTML, that is not a pure programming language. Technically, HTML, hypertext markup language, is not a programming language. XML also not a programming language. Why? They are tag-based languages, no flow control, no loop statements, no decision-making statements, like no flow control. But for client-side validations and server-side validations, web developers use JavaScript, VBScript, PHP, hypertext preprocessor, etc. languages. They are programming languages. In JavaScript, VBScript, PHP, you can find all programming features. Okay, they are lightweight languages, maybe lightweight, but you can find all programming features, Lata. Flow control also. So for web designers also, programming knowledge is required. Okay. Next, programming knowledge for system administration. Lata, are you there? Lata not responding. Okay.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I'm here, sir.
Can you view my desktop?
Clear enough, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Now observe Dawal. Programming knowledge for system administrator. System administration. Say, system administration tasks can be performed manually, but using some programming, little bit programming, they can automate their system administration tasks. Who? System administrators. System administrator can automate system administration tasks using shell script. Shell scripting is there na, Dawal?
Yes, sir.
Using shell script. Next, Perl also there. Actually, Perl was inaugurated to overcome the limitations of shell. Perl developed in C language. Perl is very good for file management. So, in system administration also, little bit programming is there. Shell scripting, Perl scripting. Okay. Next, programming knowledge for AI and machine learning, Pradeep. AI and machine learning. Observe, Pradeep. What is AI?
So it's artificial intelligence.
Yes, and machine learning. Okay. Yep. What is the difference between, what is the relation between AI and machine learning?
Don't know much, sir. Sorry.
I think Lata can answer it. Lata, AI and machine learning, two different terms.
In one of the classes you mentioned, yes, sir. AI is artificial intelligence and machine learning is part of artificial intelligence.
Yes.
And you said that YouTube runs on machine
YouTube
learning and
artificial Google search engine, etc. Observe, machine learning. Observe, Pradeep. Machine learning is part of AI, artificial intelligence. Okay. For writing AI and machine learning applications, Python or Scala like languages can be used. Getting?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Next, programming knowledge for big data, Lata. Big data, Lata. See, here also Python, Java, C++ like languages can be used for big data processing. See, data scientists use programming for big data processing, Lata.
Yes, sir.
Next, programming knowledge for RPA. What is RPA, Lata? What is RPA?
Robotic processing
Yes,
automation.
actually, for robotic process automation, no programming is required, but little bit programming is there. For robot, you can conduct robotic process automation using RPA tools like Blue Prism,
Blue Prism.
Yes,
sir.
UiPath, Automation Anywhere, etc. tools. But for automating these business scenarios using Blue Prism or UiPath, etc., some programming knowledge required, Lata, for automating the process of your scenarios. Process flows are there now.
Yes, sir.
Suppose you are automating some tasks, some web-based tasks. In that tasks, some process is there. For automating that process, flowcharts required. So indirectly, we use control flow. Next, we use variables also in RPA tools. Tools are there, but in order to operate the tools, some programming knowledge is required. Process flows, next storing data into variables, etc. Getting this point, Pradeep?
Yes, sir. Yes.
But not much. Little bit programming knowledge is enough for RPA. Next, programming knowledge for SAP Dawal. SAP. SAP is there na Dawal? What is SAP? Any idea? Do you heard this term? It's famous one.
Not.
Famous one. More than 30 years.
Yeah,
40
yeah,
years.
it is famous, but I'm not sure what it is exactly.
Okay. SAP is ERP development package. You know, Pradeep, what is SAP?
Yes, sir.
It is
System
ready-made
application and
package.
products. Yeah, it's a package, sir. Similar
Package.
to
It has
Microsoft
several
Dynamics.
modules. Suppose if you want to develop ERP system for any industry, earlier in olden days, developers wrote code like code using Java or other technologies. They need to develop screens, they need to develop functionality, etc. But nowadays, not nowadays, it is also 40 years old. Using SAP software, you can develop ERP systems easily. That is ready-made environment. You can customize the, say, so many modules available, functional modules. Can you give one or two modules examples, Lata? SAP modules.
Sir, I don't remember now, sir. No.
Pradeep.
Financial modules.
Sales and distribution.
Sales and distribution.
Accounts.
Admin module.
Accounts.
Yeah, accounts.
HR. HR. Marketing. So many modules are there in ERP area. If you use SAP like software Dawal, with a little bit programming knowledge, you can customize your software for your industry or your customer industry. Suppose if you want to develop from scratch using Java or .NET technology, it may take lot of time, efforts. If you use SAP like a ready-made package, then it is easy to develop ERP system. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Next, one more thing, Lata. For functional modules in SAP, I think programming knowledge is not required. Next, technical modules. Technical module is there. ABAP, ABAP. Do you heard this term, Pradeep? ABAP.
Yes.
No, sir.
What about you, Lata? ABAP?
Yes, sir. I heard the term ABAP, sir.
For
Yes.
ABAP, programming is required. For technical modules in SAP, some programming knowledge required. For functional modules, just customization, no programming knowledge required. Anyhow, for SAP also, some programming knowledge required. Next, programming knowledge for Salesforce. Do you heard this term Salesforce, Pradeep?
Yes, sir. I heard this one.
What is Salesforce? It is also SAP-like package, but it is cloud-based.
Yeah.
Cloud-based service for CRM. Customer. What is CRM?
Customer relationship management.
Yes, customer relationship management service. Cloud-based service. In the Salesforce.com, you can create your CRM application. You can customize your company CRM application, and you can store the data in that cloud server. So security point of view, maintenance point of view, it is very easy. In Salesforce also, several jobs available, several job roles available in Salesforce. Salesforce administrator, Salesforce developer, etc. For Salesforce administrator, I think programming knowledge is not required, but for Salesforce developer, programming knowledge is required. Okay. In these 10 areas, Lata, observe Lata, in these 10 areas, directly or indirectly, some programming knowledge is required. But for first one, it is 100% pure. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Now, you come Dawal. Software, just brief idea. Software programming languages. Observe Dawal, we have hundreds of programming languages. Nowadays also nearly 600 to 700 programming languages are there, but all are not important. All are not having a huge market. Some programming language only popular. I will introduce popular programming languages. Some languages died. Some languages still in live. Some are new languages. Okay. Already I told we have 600 to 700 programming languages in the IT industry. Last 70 years, but some popular languages or important languages are there. I will introduce those popular. Can you tell me, Dawal, which one is the, as of your knowledge, which one is the oldest language?
Sir, C.
C. When C was launched, C was launched in 1972. 1972. 48 years old. Isn't it? Just a minute. Do you hear this term, Pradeep? Fortran language.
Yeah, Fortran, I heard, sir, actually.
63 years old. 63 years old. Died. Now, nobody is using this one.
I also heard another oldest programming language, COBOL.
Yes. I'm going to that one. COBOL. But COBOL still in live in mainframe systems. Mainframe
Okay.
systems. Okay.
Hmm.
See, this is nearly 63 years. COBOL still in live.
Okay,
It
sir.
is nearly 61 years. It is data processing language, electronic data processing.
Okay.
Next, C language, our Dawal told na. C language Dawal nearly 48 years. 48 years. One more thing also there. Pascal Pradeep, heard this term?
Hmm. Yes, sir. I heard.
It is
I heard,
also
sir.
died. Pascal, nearly 50 years. 50 years. Next, so many C. C++, C++, Visual C++. So many languages are there. I am introducing some popular languages. Next, Java, nearly 25 years old. Next, shell script. Observe Lata, shell script. Where you can find shell script?
Unix, sir.
Not only Unix. In Windows also, nobody knows that
Yes.
one. In Windows also, shell programming is there. Shell scripting is there.
Okay, sir.
Windows administrators, Windows server administrators are there na? Server administrators, Windows 2008 server administrators.
Yes, sir.
They may use Windows shell programming. Got the point, Pradeep? For Windows also, shell programming is
Yes,
there.
Hmm.
Shell,
Okay,
not
sir.
only
Okay.
Unix.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, Perl. Perl, the home of the Perl is Linux. In Unix environment, in order to overcome the limitations of shell script, that Perl was inaugurated. Perl is very good at file handling. Perl also 1987, means more than 30 years. Next.
So does Perl have control flow statements
Yes,
available?
Perl is
Okay.
scripting language. Perl
Yep.
is having more control flow.
Okay,
I
sir.
think in the last class or last before class, I compared now Perl has 3 types of variables: scalar variables, array variables.
Yeah.
Next,
Yes,
hash
yes, sir.
variables are associated arrays.
Yep, sir. Yes.
Yes, in Perl also, you can find all control flow, decision making,
Okay.
loop, and branching. No
Okay, sir.
issue. And one more thing, Perl is having C-like syntax. Why? Perl developed in C language. Mother of Perl is C language. Home of Perl is Unix or Linux environment. Okay, na?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Perl. Perl. Next. JavaScript, single word. Observe Dawal. Java is different from JavaScript. Here, no relation with Java. Getting this point?
Yes, sir.
But VBScript, relation is there. What is that relation? VB, programming language. VBScript, scripting language, means VBScript is a lightweight version of VB programming language. Getting the point, Lata?
Yes, sir.
Next, can you tell me one or two? Can you mention, Lata, one or two programming languages?
Python.
I didn't mention that
Ruby.
one. Just a minute.
No, sir. I don't think so. Python.
Actually, Python is senior than
Java.
Java also. Okay. Python is senior, nearly 29 years. Java, 25 years. Next, suppose Ruby is
Ruby.
there na?
Yes, sir.
Scripting language, but control flow is there. Next, these are not technically programming languages. HTML.
XML,
These are languages. DHTML. Next, extensible
CSS.
markup language. These three are languages, but
Oh,
no control flow. No control flow. Next, SQL.
CSS is like
Pardon?
CSS, sir. Cascading style sheets is
That
not
is
language.
also
No?
not pure programming language.
Okay.
SQL. SQL is database language, Pradeep.
Yes.
Database
Yes.
language, command-based language,
Command-based, yes.
language. But in SQL also, technically, it is also not a programming language. Why? Why? Here also no procedures, no control flow.
Yes. Control flow, yes.
Say, SQL is programming language, but technically it is not a pure programming language. Why? No control flow in SQL. Say in SQL, you can find data types, operators, comments, functions, etc. But no control flow.
Control flow, okay, sir.
So that some vendors, Oracle, MS SQL Server, developed their own languages, proprietary languages as SQL extensions to conduct programming operations. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See, PLSQL. It is an extension of SQL developed by Oracle Corporation. It is proprietary language. SQL is open source. It is not proprietary language. SQL developed by Lata. Who developed SQL initially?
Oracle, sir.
No, Oracle used it. Oracle first, SQL was first used by Oracle, but Oracle not developed that one. Who is the developer
Microsoft?
of SQL?
Microsoft?
No, IBM.
Oh,
Okay.
IBM was developed SQL and first used by Oracle RDBMS. That is different. And it is open source. And one more thing, it is W3C standard. Getting this point?
yes, sir.
It is W3C compliant. So anybody can use with free of cost. But PLSQL, it is proprietary language for Oracle.
SQL.
Oracle.
Oh, sorry, Oracle.
Oracle.
Yeah.
Next,
Oracle.
T-SQL, Transact SQL. It is also extension of SQL, proprietary language of Microsoft SQL Server. Okay, now?
Okay, sir.
Now come to this one. First, we are discussing this one now. Programming knowledge for software development. We already discussed this one. It is mandatory, Dawal. It is mandatory. Programming knowledge for software development. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
It is mandatory and primary also. Here I will explain one general topic. Observe, Dawal. Basically, we have three types of software. Observe, Lata, you also. In our IT industry, we have hundreds of software, thousands of software, lakhs of software. Getting?
Got it, sir. Yes, sir.
Lakhs of software in our IT industry for our 70 years of IT industry. We can segregate all the software into 3 categories. Lata, getting the point?
Yes, sir.
3 categories. We can segregate all available software in the world into 3 categories, Pradeep. First category, system software. System software. What is system software? Any idea, Pradeep? System software?
No, sir. Sorry.
OS is there now.
Okay, operating system.
Operating
Yes.
system is system software.
Okay, sir.
It is for operating the system.
Okay.
Say, operating systems, DOS, Windows, Linux, Mac, Solaris, etc. Operating systems. Next, device drivers, printer drivers, scanner drivers, device drivers also system software, isn't it?
Okay. Yes, sir.
This is one category. For system software also, development is required and testing also required, but limited testing in this area. Why? System software limited. You can't find thousands of operating systems, Lata. Only 5 to 10 popular operating systems, maybe 50 to 60 total operating systems. 5 to 10 popular operating systems only. You can't find thousands of operating systems now.
Yes, sir.
So they use in-house training. Suppose if Microsoft develop Windows 10, next Windows 11, their staff testing team only test that application, test that operating system. For operating system also, testing is required. For system software also, testing is required. Second one, programming software. Programming software. Third one, application software. Application software. Observe, Pradeep.
Yes, sir.
Example, OS. Next, device drivers, etc. Next, programming software. The software for develop
Any programming
software.
language?
Programming languages, Java, suppose, just a minute, C, C++, Java. Oracle also programming software. It is for developing database systems.
Yes, sir.
SQL, server, etc. etc. Next, application software, Lata. Say, system software limited, programming software also limited. You can't find thousands of programming software, programming languages in the industry. But application software, thousands, lakhs, no limitation. You can find thousands of application software, lakhs of applications of software, unlimited, Lata, unlimited. Say,
Yes, sir.
our testing also, our testing teams in the world also working on application software mostly. 90 to 95% testing force working on application software, remaining 5%, below 5% workforce working on system software, system and programming software. Okay, for programming software testing, technical knowledge is required. Say 95% testing, 95% workforce on application software. This area is unlimited. Example, Example, banking software, insurance software, ERP software, next healthcare software, telecom software, retail market, etc. Observe Pradeep. MS Office is there now.
Yes, sir.
MS Office also application software. Okay, maybe it may be product, but application software. Documentation software. That is one application.
Yes, sir.
It provides documentation facilities. MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. Banking software, unlimited. Insurance software, unlimited. Suppose one company develop one online banking, another company develop same online banking for another bank. Some features may be different. Getting?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now rise query Dawal. 3 types of software in the IT industry. What are they? Just tell me the headlines. Examples not required.
Sir, system software, programming software, and application software.
Application software. Okay. Now observe Lata. For developing application software,
Yes, sir.
programming is mandatory.
Yes, sir.
Programming is mandatory.
Mandate.
For developing system software also
Programming software is mandate.
mandatory. Suppose Unix is there. Latest versions of Unix was developed in C language. Old version.
Okay, sir.
Actually, Unix is senior than C, but latest versions of Unix was developed in C language.
Okay, sir.
Windows also developed in some technologies, .NET technology.
Yes, sir.
.NET technology. Suppose application software, you take banking, insurance, ERP, healthcare, telecom, e-commerce. Every software should develop using programming only.
Programming. Yes, sir.
And one more thing, our test tools are there now.
Yes.
Which one?
Selenium,
UFT,
is developed in
Roadrunner, developed using programming only. For example, Selenium developed in
Java or Python.
Technology. Java
technology.
UFT, formerly QTP, developed in .NET technology. .NET.
VC++.
VC++,
Right?
particularly VC++ .NET. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
that is the importance of programming knowledge. You remember these 10, Lata. First one is primary.
Yes, sir.
Remaining 9 areas also programming knowledge is required. Okay. Whether it is little amount or high amount, some programming knowledge is required. Mandatory. Okay. First area for developing system software like OS, device drivers, programming is required. For developing application software like banking, insurance, ERP, healthcare, programming is required. Whatever programming language it may be. Next, programming knowledge for database development. Pradeep. Programming knowledge for database development. We already discussed now. Say SQL is there. Structured query language. It is query language. Command-based language. No control flow. In this SQL. But some vendors developed their own languages for applying programming control flow. programming control flow. PLSQL by
Yes, sir.
Oracle. Next, Transact SQL
Yeah.
by MS SQL Server. PLSQL, that is procedure language. Transact SQL also procedure language. Extension of SQL. So in database management systems, RDBMS, programming is there. Okay. Not like software front-end development, not like front-end development, but some programming is there.
Okay, sir.
Next, we already discussed this one. Programming knowledge for test automation or automated testing, Lata. Observe, Lata. Basically, we have two ways of testing. Two ways. Software testing can be done in two ways. One is traditional manual testing. Another is automated testing or test automation. I think for manual testing, no programming knowledge is required. In manual testing, understanding the requirements, deriving test scenarios, documenting test cases, executing test cases. If you find any deviation from expected, reporting defects. Next, tracking defects, conducting re and regression testing. See here, understanding, analyzing, documenting, reporting. No programming. All are documentation skills, understanding and analytical skills, and reporting skills. But in automated testing, especially in functional and regression testing. Next, mobile testing. Programming knowledge is mandatory, Pradeep. Suppose in order to use Selenium, Selenium supports 6 languages, but you need to use any one of the language. Java, Python, C#, any supported language. Suppose if you want to use UFT, VBScript required. So programming is there in automated testing. Okay, now suppose if you want to use APM, mobile testing. For APM also, you can use Java or Python. Getting this point?
Yes, sir.
This third one also, not for entire software testing area, automated testing area.
Okay.
Automated testing area.
Sir, I have a question, sir. Sir, for the programming, sorry, not for the programming, the test automation and the RPA, robotic process automation, both are used for testing, right, sir?
Both are different.
Okay.
Entire different.
The robotic process automation.
Don't confuse.
Okay, sir.
Good question. Good question. Both are entire different. Observe.
Okay, sir.
Automated testing. Automated testing or test automation. What is the purpose? What is the purpose for it?
Test the software application.
Testing software applications.
Yes, sir.
Testing software applications. Whether they are working as per intended, as per requirements. Isn't
requirements, it? Yes. Yes, sir.
Whether they are working as per requirements. Suppose one banking application is there, as per requirements, online banking, we verify the functionalities like login, next fund transfer, balance inquiry, bill payments, utility payments, etc.
Yes, sir.
But RPA. RPA. What is RPA?
Robotic process automation.
Robotic process automation. It is automating clerical, not intelligent, clerical tasks. Clerical tasks in different industries. Like banking, insurance, ERP, CRM, etc. Observe, Pradeep. Automating clerical tasks. Suppose clerical tasks, data entry is there. Data entry. Next, answering that telephone queries, answering is there. For that, if you use manpower, it takes more manpower, more efforts. If it is robo, it can automate manual tasks, not intelligent, clerical, manual tasks in easy manner. Suppose one robo can do 10 or 15 computer operators tasks in one day. Suppose data entry task is there in our company, banking or insurance. We have data in Excel form or some other form. We need to, our operators need to enter the data into our application.
Yeah, manually it will take more time actually.
It will take time now. Suppose we hired 10 data entry operators. Each person is entering 1,000 record, 10 into 1,000, 10,000 record per day. Suppose if you automate that task, data entry task using RPA tool, RPA is software. It is software. Software robo, not mechanical robo, physical robo.
Yeah, I do understand. Yes.
If you automate that software, if you automate that process, one robo means from one laptop, it can enter the records. 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 records. Means one robo can replace 10 to 15 computer operators.
Okay. Yeah.
So you can reduce the time, you can reduce the money also now.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Nowadays, so many companies, industries, even food industries also. You observe that Zomato, Swiggy, like food supply applications are there now, services.
Yes, sir.
Zomato, Swiggy, they are also using robots. If you enter any query, that robo answer randomly, getting the point.
When we do the live chat, like it answers something.
That robo only answers your questions. In rare scenarios only, manual operator can handle that one. In rare scenario.
Okay, I do understand, sir. Suppose if we enter any keyword, based on the keyword, it will show some answer. If we are not satisfied, then it will transfer to the
answer. Suppose you are asking for one question. My order is delaying. It is taking more than half an hour. But you mentioned just 25 minutes in at beginning of the order. Now already 40 minutes over. Then it captures the live data. Suppose in your area raining, then it will answer that one. In your area raining, within 5 to 10 minutes you can get your order.
Okay, sir.
Robots nowadays in every industry, for customer relation, for data entry, any web-based clerical tasks can be automated using RPA tools, robotic process automation. But do remember, Lata, test automation is entirely different from robotic process automation. Getting? Dawal, did you understand this concept?
Yes, sir.
Test automation is entirely different from robotic process automation. Robotic process automation means clerical process automation. In order to reduce the manpower and money, clerical process automation for medical industry or banking industry, insurance industry, ERP, CRM, any industry. Clerical process automation, data entry, data manipulation, query processing, file handling, etc. Here, one thing is clear, Pradeep. Clerical tasks only, not intelligent tasks.
Yeah, I do understand, sir. Yes.
Now, getting the
which
difference
means
between
robotic process.
RPA and test automation?
Yes, sir.
In test automation, we test the software, whether it is working or not as per requirements. But in RPA, we automate the clerical tasks in different industries.
Okay. So, which means robotic process is a software. We can customize our clerical jobs based on what we need.
Just a minute. Yeah. Robotic process automation is not a software.
Okay.
Robotic process automation is a term.
Okay, sir.
As like test automation. Test automation is term. For test automation, we use various tools.
Yes.
Here also, for robotic process automation is a term. For RPA, we use tools.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Means with the help of tools. What tools? We are saying test tools. Here, RPA tools.
RPA tools. Okay, sir.
Using tools. Blue Prism. Example. UiPath. Automation anywhere, like tools. We automate those clerical processes. And some programming knowledge is required for automating those clerical processes. Example, in that clerical process, some logic is there. Say, enter some records from first sheet. If no records available, or end of the record, go to second sheet, like some flow is there, then you can use some control flow, little bit control flow. And if you want to store any data to your variables, if you want to store any data while RPA, for that you can declare variables and store the values to variables.
Okay, sir.
Store the values into variables. And you can handle files also using RPA tools. Files also. Example, you can handle Excel files, Word files, text files, etc. Suppose in one Excel sheet, 10,000 records are there. You copy that Excel sheet and you place these records into our customer banking application or insurance application. You can handle.
Okay, sir.
Getting the point?
Thank you. Yes, sir.
Robotic process automation is not a software. That is a term.
Yep.
For that, we use tools.
Yep.
Test automation also is not a software.
It's a term actually. We use Selenium
We use
UFT.
tools.
Yep.
Selenium UFT, like tools for performing that one.
Yep. Understand, sir.
Okay. For observe, Lata, programming knowledge for web development. Already I told na, Lata.
Yes.
Suppose
HTML
for web
HTML.
design, HTML is language only, but it is not pure programming language. Technically, it is not a programming language. Why? No control flow here. No control flow. Dynamic HTML, XML, these are for web design, but no control flow here. Next, we use JavaScript, not we. Web developers use JavaScript, PHP. Actually, VBScript also for web scripting, server-side scripting. Suppose if you follow .NET technology, ASP.NET is there now.
Yes, sir. Active server.
Active server pages. If you follow ASP, for writing code in ASP, we use VBScript. Okay, VBScript. Next, these are for client side and server side validations.
Okay.
Client side and server side validations. Next, Java, .NET, like technologies for functionality development. Okay, this is GUI. Next, observe, try to understand this one. Client side validation, server side validation, and functionality. Pradeep, did you understand these two terms? Observe, suppose in one application, I don't know about US railway system. In Indian railway system, if you reserve railway tickets, suppose waiting list is there, that time they give one PNR. PNR is there now, number.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you want to check the status from that railway site, open that page, enter that PNR, that is number, numeric value, enter that PNR, then it is the responsibility of client side scripting to validate that number, whether that number is valid or not. Getting this point?
Yes, sir.
Suppose your number is 45678, but you are enter incorrect number, incorrect number, incorrect type or incorrect size, anything, incorrect number. Then it is the responsibility of client side scripting to reject that value. Suppose you enter correct number, client side scripting validated that one, then it is the responsibility of server side scripting to get response from the server. Suppose you entered correct PNR, then server side scripting validates that your request, then it will fetch the data from server. Your waiting list is 4 and 5. After some time, your waiting list 1 and 2. Getting this point?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Next, functionality. Suppose banking application. Banking application is there. Your initial balance 50,000. 50,000. If you payment 10,000. After deducting that amount, then it is the responsibility of application functionality to process the data. To process the data, suppose from 50,000 deduct 10,000, then current balance is 40,000. That is EDP, electronic data processing. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
That is EDP, electronic data processing. Who is the responsible for EDP? Programming language. Programming language is responsible for EDP.
Yes, sir.
Not
Java,
client-side
.NET.
scripting. Client-side scripting, only user interface side validations. Server-side scripting, only server responses. Programming language responsibility is data processing. Okay, now Lata, raise query.
Okay, sir. Got it, sir.
Okay. What about you, Daval? Daval.
No, sir, I'm fine.
Next one. Programming knowledge for system administration. What is system administration? Any idea, Pradeep? System administration?
Not much, sir, but as you said, like they will automate something for.
Some tasks are there now. Suppose morning 6 o'clock, boot the system and give permissions to user 1, user 2, user 3. Next, evening 2 o'clock, stop the service. Like tasks are there. Manually, system administrators can perform these tasks. But if they use shell scripting like programming, their tasks can be automated. Getting the point?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
They can automate their tasks. Next, in sixth one, AI and machine learning also for developing artificial intelligence and machine learning also programming required. R language, Python language, C++ can be used for this one. Python language is best for machine learning. Next, for big data also, R, Python, Scala can be used. Next, for SAP, already I told, ABAP, ABAP, SAP, ABAP. This is technical module. Say for functional modules like accounts, sales and distribution, marketing, etc. Programming knowledge is not required. For technical modules, ABAP, Advanced Business Application Programming, is a programming language that runs in the SAP ABAP runtime environment. It is proprietary language. Next, in Salesforce, observe Pradeep, Salesforce. What is Salesforce? Suppose SAP. What I told SAP? ERP development software. Means ERP package. Using SAP, you can develop ERP applications. You can customize ERP applications. Okay. It is ERP package. What about Salesforce?
CRM,
customer relationship management, CRM service. You can develop or customize CRM applications using Salesforce.com. Here it provides application, Salesforce application customization as well as cloud computing.
Cloud computing, yeah.
What is the meaning of this one? Suppose your company is having 1,000 employees, yearly 10 GB data. For that, you no need to maintain servers in your company or in your company corporate office. You can hire space in Salesforce.com. They maintain cloud servers. You can access your data from cloud. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
You can access that data from your cloud. Suppose you want to access your company data this year, last year, 10 years back data, just open Salesforce.com, log into your company account, then you can access your company data. You can copy the data, you can manipulate the data, you can delete the data. Cloud service available. That is paid service. Okay now?
Yes, sir.
Next, in Salesforce also, for Salesforce administrator perform CRM tasks after developing the system. After developing the system, for initial development, CRM development for your company, Salesforce developer, see, observe, different types of job roles available in Salesforce. Salesforce developer, Salesforce administrator, etc. For Salesforce administrator, programming knowledge may not be required. But for Salesforce developer job role, programming knowledge is required. What is that programming language? Proprietary language is there. These are global or public languages like C, C++, Java, Python. Proprietary languages. Apex is there, Lata. Apex.
Yes, sir.
Proprietary language developed by Salesforce.com. It is strongly typed object-oriented programming language. It follows Java syntax. Okay. Next, SAP, Salesforce, RPA. Okay. Clerical process automation. Big data. Big data means what is big data? Any idea, Pradeep?
Yes, sir. Handling large set of data.
Generally, using RDBMS, Relational Database Management System, we can handle tabular format data only, na?
Yes, sir.
Tabular format data only. But all the data in tabular format. File format is there. Tabular format is there. Image format is there. Next, video format is there. That is also data. So in order to process this type of data, all types of data, table format, file format, image format, video format, some programming required. Big data. For processing big data, programming required. Using R, Python, Scala, Java like technologies, big data. For processing big data, programming is required. You can use R, Python, or Java, Scala, etc. languages. Here also, Python is more preferable. Next, all of you know RPA, robotic process automation, clerical process automation, Next, machine learning, artificial intelligence. Any idea about, already we discussed this thing, Lata, in previous classes. What is machine learning? Here, machine means computer.
Yes, sir.
Machine learning, What is machine learning?
It's-
Already I told now, YouTube,
Yes, sir.
YouTube follows machine learning. Google search engine
Yes.
follows machine learning.
Machine learning.
Suppose you uploaded one video with Corona, with the same topic, with Corona topic. I also uploaded same video, same topic. Your video in first place, my video in third page or 30th place. How YouTube segregates our videos?
Viewership, sir. Number
Yes, user experience, time on video, likes, dislikes, etc. User experience. Based on that user experience, that YouTube assumes Lata video is important video. Viewers are viewing more. Suppose Lata video is having 10 minutes, but more users watching up to 8 minutes, means 80% of the video. Next, some other person, Venkat video is also having 10 minutes, but average view duration 1 minute. That is not serious. So by machine learning, YouTube can segregate our videos. By machine learning, Google can segregate our web pages. Isn't it? Otherwise, segregating millions of videos, millions of web pages, difficult. Okay. Artificial intelligence also very important, Pradeep. Actually, it is superior than machine learning. Machine learning is part of AI. Another subsets also there, deep learning, etc. Artificial intelligence for robots also very important, Pradeep. Suppose if you program any robot, as per that program only it performs, isn't it?
Yes.
Suppose you program one robot, go to main road, there take one ice cream and back. Suppose it is going and returning. Okay. But after 4th time or 5th time, our road blocked. Then what will happen?
It will
not programmed, sir. It will stay there only.
It will stop. It will stop there. Why? Robo is not intelligent.
Yep.
As per instructions only it will follow. Suppose if road is available, then it will go and bring back. Suppose if road is not available, then it will stop blindly. For that,
yes,
if you provide AI, artificial intelligence, you can write program. Suppose if our street road is blocked, then turn to left. Suppose left road also, left street also blocked. Come back. Backside park is there. Go to that park. Park backside. Another way is there to main road. Use that road. But it is last priority. Like program, if you provide to that robo, then robo can think. That is called artificial intelligence. Getting?
Yes, sir.
For developing AI applications and machine learning applications, we use programming. What is the best language for AI and machine learning?
Python, sir.
Python. But other languages also can be used. C++, Java, R, etc. Okay. Now I am going to the session. Today's chapter, general chapter, importance of programming. Any queries, Dawal? Any queries?
No, sir. I'm good. Thank you.
Welcome. Pradeep?
Very informative, sir. Thank you very much.
Welcome. Lata?
Yes, sir. I have a question, sir.
Tell me.
So, what is the result of this class, sir? Like, are you going to conduct any kind of a different kind of a class, or
No,
how does it?
It is one independent class.
Okay.
It is one independent class. But with this awareness, you enhance your IT career. Say, we are software testers. but we
Yes,
must
sir.
know other areas also, little bit.
Yes, sir. I
It is
agree.
fine.
Knowledge is
This knowledge is important for us. Suppose web development knowledge, we are conducting web application testing. Web knowledge is
Yes.
required. Suppose some SAP testers are there, Salesforce testers are there. They must know the environment of SAP, environment of Salesforce.
Okay, sir.
Just providing awareness.
Okay,
In
sir.
future, any survey, I will provide Selenium with Python environment also, Pradeep.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Selenium with
Sure.
Python environment.
Sir, will you conduct any of the other language classes, sir, like Python or SQL in recent times?
At this point of time, I am not planning. If I plan any special class, I will inform you.
Yes, sir. That will be great, sir. Yeah.
Any other queries?
That's the only query, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you so very much.
Okay, welcome.